What if you could use all the top AI language models in one place? Sounds amazing, right? Well, today, I'm introducing you to Chat LLM Teams, the world's first AI super assistant. It's built to make your work easier and help your team succeed. Stay tuned as I show you how Chat LLM Teams brings the best AI tools together and why it's the perfect solution for all your needs. With Chat LLM, you get access to some of the most advanced LLMs available today, including GPT-4, Sonet, Jimney, and AACA on-train model. Chat LLM is not just another tool, it's an AI assistant that lets you switch between different models with ease. Why does this matter? Each LLM has its unique strengths, and now you have the power to choose the right model for the task at hand. Whether you're generating content, analyzing data, or even building custom AI agents. And here's the best part. You only need one Chat LLM subscription to access them all for just $10 per month, with the first month being completely free. It's like having a team of AI assistants ready to help you, all for the price of one. The link is available in the description, giving you access to the world's top AI models, including GPT-4, Sonet, Jimney, and more. Imagine asking one simple question and getting answers from different AI models, each with unique ideas. Let's try an example. How can businesses use data analytics to improve marketing? First, we'll use GPT-4 to see its ideas. Now let's try Cloud Sonnet and check its suggestions. Next, try Llama 2 to answer the same prompt. Llama often provides simple, straightforward answers, making it easy to grasp essential points. Finally, let's use Abacus. Each AI model offers a unique perspective, allowing you to compare their responses. This way, you don't have to rely on a single AI. You can explore different viewpoints to make better decisions. Next, we have the Chat with PDF feature. You can upload any PDF document, such as research papers, reports, ebooks, or presentations. Once uploaded, simply ask the AI to summarize the document, and it will provide you with a clear and concise summary in seconds. But that's not all. You can also ask specific questions about the document, and the AI will instantly give you accurate answers, saving you the trouble of searching manually. Whether you're preparing for a project, reviewing complex material, or studying for exams, this feature ensures you get exactly what you need from your documents with ease and speed. The Humanize feature in Chat LLM. This makes your text sound natural and human-like. Let's say you ask the AI to write an article. After it generates the content, you can click the Humanize button to refine it further. You can change the tone to suit your needs, such as making it professional or clear. For instance, you can also add additional instructions as well. Or, if you want your work to pass AI detection tools, just click Humanize again and select AI Detector Proof. The AI will rewrite the text, ensuring it reads like it was crafted by a person. This feature is perfect for creating polished, customized, and authentic content that fits your exact needs, whether it's for assignments, blogs, or professional documents. Claude Sonet is an advanced AI model designed to assist with coding tasks efficiently. It excels in generating code, debugging, explaining complex programming concepts, and creating detailed documentation. With support for multiple languages and natural language interaction, Claude Sonet is a versatile tool for developers, helping streamline workflows and enhance productivity. Now let's talk about the image analysis feature. Simply upload an image and the AI will describe and explain its content in detail, whether it's identifying objects, interpreting text within the image, or analyzing complex visuals. This feature provides accurate and insightful responses. You can even experiment with different AI models such as GPT-4 or Cloud Sonnet. Chat LLM makes AI video creation simple and efficient. With support for advanced models like HaloKing, Llama, and Runway, you can effortlessly generate stunning videos. Choose your preferred model, select the mood, enter a creative prompt, then choose the aspect ratio and video duration to suit your needs. You can even add negative prompts if required. Finally, hit generate, and within seconds, the AI will create a professional quality video based on your instructions. Whether it's for social media, presentations, or marketing, this feature streamlines video production like never before. AI Image Generator. Chat LLM also offers a powerful AI image generator, supporting models like Flex and Audiogram. Choose your preferred model, enter your prompt. You can even specify the aspect ratio to customize the output. In just seconds, the tool generates stunning AI images based on your description. Teamwork made easy. Chat LLM makes collaboration simple. You can easily invite team members by sending them an invite link or adding their email addresses. Manage your team efficiently through the user-friendly dashboard. With the Invite Team feature, you can invite users to share specific chat sessions, making it easy for your team to collaborate in real time. You can even integrate Chat LLM with Slack, Drive, and other apps. So if you're looking for an all-in-one AI solution that's powerful, easy to use, and incredibly worth it, Chat LLM Teams is the way to go. And the best part is just $10 per month with the first month free. So why wait? Click the link in the description below to start your free trial and experience the future of AI today. I hope you liked this video. Please give it a like and comment down below if you have any questions. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.